Hey there, my name is Sasha and I'm a product manager here at SAS. In this video, I'm excited to talk about SAS's integration with Microsoft Outlook through SAS for Microsoft 365. In this video, we'll do a deep dive of working with SAS Visual Analytics reports in Outlook and then show you how to embed SAS content into your emails and appointments. These new features make it easier than ever to collaborate with your colleagues and share insights from SAS quickly and easily, allowing you to make better data-driven decisions. SAS for Microsoft 365 is available on both web and desktop versions of Outlook, but for this video, I'm going to be using the desktop version. So with that, let's dive in. Once you load SAS for Microsoft 365 in Outlook, a SAS group will appear in the ribbon of your Outlook application. Click Home in the SAS ribbon to launch the SAS Pane. This is basically your workspace for SAS for Microsoft 365. From this pane, you can set your preferences, access SAS reports or mark them as favorites, insert report objects into your Outlook emails and appointments, and sign out of SAS when you're done. The SAS pane contains 3 tabs: Home, Reports, and Results, which will load whenever you open a report. From the Home tab, you can access any reports that are currently open, that have recently opened, or that you have favorited. From here, you can also add reports to favorites. By default, the reports are listed in a tile view, but if you change to the list view, you can add or remove reports from favorites. Here, you can also manage your preferences, which allows you to specify the default size when inserting reported content. From the Reports tab, you can access any reports that you've recently opened, any reports that you favorited, and any reports that have been shared with you via SAS Drive using the folder navigation structure. I'm going to navigate to the Business Performance Analysis report for the company eCalico that I have saved to my public folder. Any reports that you open will load to the Results tab, where you can start interacting with your Visual Analytics report. Once your report loads to the Results tab, you can start interacting with the report objects just like you would if you were accessing this report directly in Visual Analytics in a web browser. You can page through different sections of the report. You can maximize report objects to look at them in detail. And wherever interactions exist between report objects, you can use those as well. So you'll see as I click on the bars of this chart, my returns by product category will filter accordingly. You can embed report content when you are creating or replying to an email, or when you are creating or replying to an appointment like a meeting invite. To insert an individual report object, you would select that object, click on the Overflow menu, and then select Insert in Message. You can see that the report object is added to the body of the message as HTML. Since the content is HTML, it is no longer connected to the SAS server, so the content cannot be updated. Sometimes your report object might be a list table, like this list table of purchase details. If you are inserting a large table, some rows might not be able to be displayed based on sizing restrictions for emails. In this case, you'll see a message that indicates how many rows are displayed out of the total number of rows in the table. To attach a PDF of the entire report, a single report page, or just several different report objects, use the Overflow menu for the report and select Attach Report as PDF. You still have the Options and Document Setup tabs, but you have a new Select Objects tab, which allows you to select the specific report objects to include in your PDF. All of the objects are selected by default, but I'm going to just select a few objects from the first page. So let's take a look at purchase history, marketing spend, this butterfly chart, a geomap, and a bar chart. and then I'll click OK to generate the PDF. In Outlook, the maximum size for all attachments is 20 megabytes. So if your attachment exceeds that size, SAS for Microsoft 365 will give you the option to download the PDF instead. Now let's take a look at this PDF. You'll see that as it loads, we have a PDF that includes all of these great report objects, providing a lot of insight into the eCalico data. So this is a great way to have those report insights on hand in an offline state. Let's finish up our email. To share an entire report, you can insert a link into your email message or appointment. When the recipient clicks the link, SAS Visual Analytics will open the report in a web browser so that a user can view the latest data in the report. The cool thing here is that in Outlook for Desktop, SAS for Microsoft 365 will scan the message or appointment content and find any links to Visual Analytics reports. Those reports will be automatically opened on the Results tab so the recipient of the email can get started quickly looking at these reports. I think we are all done creating our email, so I'm going to go ahead and send this off. That was a quick overview of working with SAS for Microsoft 365 in Outlook. You saw how to access and interact with your SAS Visual Analytics reports and how to embed that report content into your Outlook emails and appointments. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you'd like, take a look at the links down below to find other content that might help you. And if you want more tips and tricks like this that I've shared with you, subscribe to the SAS Users channel. See you next time!